In this video, we'll talk about how to use I like and I don't like in sentences. Hi, and welcome to our channel. I'm Mark Santamaria. I'm a US immigration lawyer and English teacher. What do you like? Do you know how to answer this question? Reina will help us learn how to answer this question. Reina. Thanks, Reina. Please look at this example. I like cats. You see, in this example, we say I like plus a noun. You know, a noun is a person, place, or thing. Here are some more examples. I like you. Can you say it? Good. I like you, Reina. I like pizza. Can you say it? Good. I like pizza. I like pepperoni pizza. I like Hawaiian pizza. I'm getting hungry. How about you, Reina? I like music. Can you say it? Good. I like music. It looks like Reina does too. Can you make a sentence using I like plus a noun? Good. What about what you don't like? I don't like carrots. Can you say it? Good. I don't like carrots. How about you, Reina? You are definitely my cat. We don't like carrots. I don't like golf. Can you say it? Good. I don't like golf. I don't like cold weather. Can you say it? Good. I don't like cold weather. Reina likes going to the beach, so she doesn't like cold weather. Next, let's talk about how to use I like to. For example, we can say, I like to eat. Here, the difference is at the end of the sentence. I like to plus a verb. Verbs are action words. Here are some examples. I like to listen to music. Can you say it? Good. I like to listen to music. How about you, Reina? I can tell you like to listen to music too. I like to travel. Can you say it? Good. I like to travel. Here are some places I've traveled to. I like to exercise. Can you say it? Good. I don't think Reina likes to exercise. Let's talk more about saying I don't like to. For example, you can say, I don't like to exercise. Right, Reina? Here are some more examples. I don't like to cook. Can you say it? Good. I don't like to cook. Reina, do you like to cook? You just like to eat, right? I don't like to fight. Can you say it? Good. I don't like to fight. Reina, don't fight with me, okay? Great. Thanks. Hug. I don't like to swim. Can you say it? Good. Reina doesn't like water, so she definitely doesn't like to swim. Good. Next, let's use what we have learned in a conversation. Hi, Reina. Hi, Mark. What do you like to do? I like to eat. And you? I like to eat too. I also like to drink tea. How about you? Yes, me too. What did Reina say about what she likes to do? Yes, she said, I like to eat. How about me? Did I agree with her? Yes, I like to eat too. What else do I like? Yes, I like to drink tea. How about you? Do you like to drink tea? Good. I like to drink tea too. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please sign up for our email list so we can get you a free English worksheet. Please also subscribe to our channel, like this video, and write a comment below. God bless.